हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू डे 41। और आज हमारे आजाद भवन में हो रहा है ऑक्शन ऑक्शन फॉर द आजाद प्रीमियर लीग 2026। दो क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं, एपीएल एंड एसीएल, जैसा कि तुम सबको पता है। इफ यू आर फ्रॉम आजाद, आ जाओ फिर साथ में चलते हैं। हम ऑक्शन देखते हैं कौन है हाईएस्ट। हाईएस्ट नहीं यार, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? डिंग 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 डिंग। मोस्ट मोस्ट महंगा प्लेयर। लेट्स गो टू दी टीवी रूम गाइस।
जीत भाई बिक रहे हमारे।
I'm closing the bid for Jeet. Okay, I received the bid from Manish. Now the current bid is 5 CR. 5.5 from Ronak, 6 CR from Manish, 6.5 from Ronak, 7 CR from Manish, 7 CR is the current bid for Jeet Sharan. Okay, 7.5 from Nodial, 8 CR from Manish,
भाई 8
8.5
करोड़
from
पहुंच गया।
Nodial, 8, okay, 9 CR from Manish,
अरे
9.5 from Nodial. Please raise the bid. Okay, 9.5 no? 10.
10
10 CR from
10
Manish.
10 करोड़।
10 CR is the current bid for G Sharan. Please raise the bid for G. He is a very good opener and explosive batsman. 10 CR is the current bid for G made by Manish. So I'm closing the bid for G at 10 CR. 10 CR
10
1,
करोड़ में बिक गया मेरा भाई।
10 CR 2, 10 CR 3. 3 CR 1, okay, 3.25 from Manish, 3.5 from Nodial, 3.25, 3.5. 3.5 is the current bid for Nitin Kumar made by Nodial. Okay, 3.75 from Sanjay. 3.75 CR is the current bid made by Sanjay for Nitin Kumar. Please raise the bid. 3.75 CR. 3.75 CR. 3.75 CR 1. 3.75 CR 2. 3.75 CR 3.
सोल्ड।
The base price is
सूरज
50
गुप्ता
lakhs.
दिवाली सेक्रेटरी
Please make bid for
एट 50 lakhs।
Suraj Gupta.
गोला।
Please make bid for Suraj Gupta. Base price 50 lakhs. Please don't talk.
गोला।
Please make bid for Suraj
गोला
Gupta.
है
Base
जीत
price 50
सारा।
lakhs. I think nobody is interested. Okay. I received the initial bid from Prashant at 50 lakhs.
प्रशांत सर।
Please make bid for Suraj Gupta, the wellness secretary of Azad Bhavan. Base price bid made by Prashant 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs free.
प्रशांत सर।
From Ronak.
रौनक भाई गेम में
Please raise the bid for
50
Akshat
लाख की bid
Mitra.
है।
He has previously participated in Intra Bhavan and Azad Champions League last year. Please raise the bid for Akshat. Base price bid made by Ronak. Please, okay, 75 lakhs from Musab, 1 CR from Ronak, 1.25 from Musab, 1.5 CR from Ronak, 1.75, 2 CR. Okay, 2 CR is the current bid for Akshat Nigram made by Ronak. Okay, 2.25 from Musab. 2.25 CR is the current bid for Akshat Nigram made by Musab. Please don't make noise. 2.5 CR is the current bid for Akshat Nigram made by Ronak. Okay, 2.75 from Musab. 3 CR from
3
Ronak.
करोड़।
3 CR is the current bid for Akshat Nigram made by Ronak. 3.25 from Musab. 3.25 CR is the current bid for Akshat Nigram made by Musab. 4 CR 1, 4 CR 2, 4 CR 3. Sold.
प्रशांत सर काफी खुश लग रहे हैं।
Please.
सर मेरा तो था
Slide number
37.
37।
So the next player is Mohit Shukla, ex-wellness
भाई साहब।
secretary. He's a right-handed batsman, right-arm spinner.
Good footballer.
Previously participated in Bhavan tournaments. So I have received the initial bid of 50 lakhs from Ronak.
रौनक भाई पहले ही वीड लेते
He's
हुए।
a PhD student from electronics department. Okay, 75 lakhs from Kabir, 1 CR, 1 CR from Ronak. Okay, 1.25 CR from Kabir. 1.5.
रौनक भाई
1.5
दिल्ली
CR is the
लगे
current bid
हमें
for
बिट लगाने
Mohit
को
Shukla. 1.5 CR is the current bid made by Ronak or Mohit Shukla. Please. 1.75 CR1, 1.75 CR2, 1.75 CR3. Sold.
सोल्ड
This department and a very close friend of Manish Sharma.
भवन लास्ट 4
Please,
years
please make bid for Kartikeya. So I received the initial bid at 1 CR from Ronak. Please, okay, please raise the bid for
सर
Kartikeya
आपको
Bharat.
पैसे मिलता
He is from the same department of Manish Sharma, a very close friend. He has spent a lot of time with Manish Sharma. So I am very sure Manish Sharma will make bid for Kartikeya Bharat. So nobody is looking interested except Ronak for Kartikeya. Okay, I received the list. The next, okay, 1.5 CR, okay, 1.75 to for Kartikeya Bharadwaj. Current bid 4.25 CR made by Manish. 4.25 CR. So I am closing the bid for Kartikeya Bharadwaj at
Manish
4.25 CR.
थपलिया सर की एंट्री
4.25 CR1.
सर थपलिया सर की एंट्री हो चुकी है
4.5 CR from Thapliyal. Thapliyal is now in the party. 4.5 CR is the current bid for Kartikeya Bharadwaj. I know Manish Sharma has made a lot of promise to Kartikeya Bharadwaj. 4.5 CR is the current
upset करते हैं टूर्नामेंट में
4.5 CR made by Manish.
पर लास्ट बॉल पे हार जाते हैं यार ये जीत नहीं पाते
एंट्री नहीं मार रहे
नहीं पाते जीत नहीं पाते
5 CR.
अच्छा मुझे सर की एंट्री हो चुकी है
Any other bidder who would like to join the party for Kartikeya Bharadwaj? Very, very close friend of Manish Sharma. 5 CR is the current bid for Kartikeya. I am closing the bid at 5 CR. 5.5 from Manish. 6 CR from Hussain. Please raise the bid for Kartikeya Bharadwaj. Okay, 6.5 from. Okay, 7 from. You are not going to continue. 7 CR is the current bid for Kartikeya Bharadwaj made by Hussain. 7 CR1. 7 CR2, 7 CR3.
दिल्ली दिल्ली कैपिटल्स
Please take out the next.
अनसोल्ड
ए लगा दिया बोली
I received the initial bid from Nautial at 25 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs from Thapliyal. 25 lakhs, 1 CR, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2 CR,
हाथ नीचे नहीं होना
2.25,
चाहिए
2.5,
हाथ नीचे नहीं होना
3 CR, 3.25,
अरे नीचे हो
3.25 is the current bid for Vivek Raj made by Nautial. Okay, 3.5 from Nautial, 3.75 from Nautial, 4 CR from Thapliyal, 4.25, 4.5 CR from Thapliyal, 4.5. 4.5 CR for Vivek Raj paid by Thapliyal. 4.5 CR is the current bid for Vivek Raj paid by Thapliyal. 4.75 CR from Manish.
हाथ नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए
Okay, 5 CR from Thapliyal.
हाथ नीचे
5
नहीं
CR
होना
is the
चाहिए
current bid for Vivek Raj made by Thapliyal. 5 CR is the current bid. Okay, 5.5 from Prashant. 5.5 CR. Student.
कैलकुलेशन कर
Maybe
रहे
a future for Azad Dhawan.
हैं
Okay, 6 CR from
6
Thapliyal.
करोड़
Please raise the bid for Vivek Raj. 6 CR. 6
Media
CR is the
partner.
current bid for Vivek Raj made by Thapliyal. So I am closing the bid for Vivek Raj at okay 6.5 from Manish. 6.5 CR is the current bid for Vivek Raj made by Manish. Can someone please tell me Vivek Raj belongs to which department?
सिविल ये रहा
Okay,
विवेक
6.5 CR is the current bid. Okay, you are the guy. Yeah. 6.5 CR is the current bid for Vivek Raj made by Manish. Please raise the bid for Vivek Raj.
लगता है
So I am closing the bid for Vivek Raj at 6.5 CR. 6.5 CR1. 6.5 CR2. Okay, 7 CR from Musab. Okay, 7 CR is the current bid for Vivek Raj made by Musab. 7 CR. 7 CR made by Musab for Vivek Raj.
आ चुकी है
Please raise the bid for Musab. 7 CR is the current bid for okay 7.5 from Thapliyal. 7.5 CR.
थैंक यू कैप्टन थैंक यू
CR is the current bid for Vivek Raj made by Thapliyal. CR. So I'm closing the bid for Vivek Raj at 7.5 CR made by Sabliyar, 7.5 CR 1, 7.5 CR 2, okay 8 CR from Hussain,
सर नहीं छोड़ गया
8 CR,
सर मार हो गया तो
8 CR the current bid for Vivek Raj. Please raise the bid for Vivek Raj, 8 CR, 8 CR 1,
कैमरा मतलब सर
8 CR 2, 8 CR 3.
सर यहाँ से मिला आ जा रहा
Someone from the back side, please take the kit, please. Anyone? Anyone of you, please. Okay. 34.3 CR, 2 billion.
काफी पैसे चालू है
22.25 3 प्लेयर
Hey, please listen to us, otherwise they are not going to tell again. Sanjay?
पैसे
4.25.
Okay. How many players in the mega auction? 4 players. In mega auction. 3 players. In mega auction. Okay. Zero players, 38.
पूरा का पूरा पर्स खा गया
Someone from this side, please come forward and take the kit.
हनन सर आपको जाना
वेलकम टू द आज़ाद शाहीन
यस थैंक यू
He has no past experience. The base price is 25 lakhs. He has received the initial bid from Ronak. Okay, 50 lakhs from Sabliyar, 75 lakhs from Nodiyal, 1 CR, 1.25 from Nodiyal, 1.25 CR is the current bid for Vikas made by Nodiyal. 1.25 CR is the current bid for Vikas.
काफी सोच में लगे हुए हैं
1.5
पूरे
CR
का पूरा
1,
चेस बोर्ड को लेके
1.5 CR 2, 1.5 CR 2, 2 CR,
मारधाड़ स्टार्ट हो
3
चुका है
CR, नहीं, 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, 3, 3.25, 2.5, 2.75, 4 CR, 4.25, 2.5, 4.75, 5 CR, 5.5, 6 CR. 6 CR is the current bid for, okay, 6.5 from Nodiyal, 7 CR from, okay, 7.5 from Nodiyal, 7 CR is the current, 7.5 from Sabliyar, 8 CR from Nodiyal, 8 CR, 8 CR, 8 CR, okay, 8.5 from Sanjay, okay, 9 CR from Nodiyal, okay, 9.5 from Sanjay, okay, 10 CR from Nodiyal, 12 CR from Sanjay.
12 करोड़
12 CR is the current bid for Akshay Sharma. Okay, 12.5 from Nodiyal. पैसा ही पैसा है. 12.5 CR is the current bid for Akshay Sharma made by Nodiyal. Okay, 13 CR from Sanjay. 13.5 from Nodiyal.
ये नहीं छूटने वाला
13.5 CR is the current bid
रौनक
for
इसको लेके
Akshay
रहेगा
Sharma. 13.5. 13.5 is the current bid for Akshay Sharma.
अभी तक
एक तिहाई of पर्स, 1/3 of पर्स.
हाईएस्ट
You have a drawing?
क्या तो
14 CR,
ये गुड्डों की टीम बन गई है.
14.5 from Nodiyal.
14.5
14.5 CR the current
अभी
bid for
ऐसा गोली
Akshay.
मालूम चलेगी.
Please don't talk. Hello? Please don't talk. 14.5 CR is the current bid for Akshay Sharma made by Nodiyal.
यही बात कर रहा था उससे
Please raise the bid for Akshay Sharma, co-member of GAFA from Sanjay. 15 CR is the current bid for Akshay Sharma made by Sanjay.
स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी काफी
Please raise the bid for Akshay Sharma. 15 CR. You are withdrawing? Okay. So the only bid left for Akshay Sharma 15 CR made by Sanjay. 15 CR 1, 15 CR 2, 15 CR 7.
बहुत बढ़िया
ये तो बहुत तगड़ा है
So the next player in the auction is Samit.
पर ये तो वॉलीबॉल खेलता है
He's a right-handed batsman,
सर
right-hand spinner. He has played civil department cricket tournament. He's a PhD second year student. So I have received the
China का photo है रे।
Okay, then the incremental bid made by Prashant, 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs is the current bid for Sambit made by Prashant.
अरे हमारी टीम का है, हमारी टीम का है।
पीछे चलो पीछे चलो पीछे चलो
अरे क्या हो गया?
हमारी कीड़ा सच्ची बहुत बेहतरीन काम करते हुए।
अरे हमारी टीम सपोर्ट कर रही है हमें, और क्या दिक्कत है?
50 lakhs is the current bid.
Bid for Prashant. Please raise the bid. 50 lakhs made by Prashant. Okay, 75 lakhs, 1 CR from Prashant.
उधर से बनाते हैं।
1.25 from Nautiyal.
बाबा भी करें हमारे
1.5 CR from Prashant. 75 CR made by Nautiyal.
संबित पानी।
So I'm closing the bid for Sambit Pani at 1.75 CR made by Nautiyal. Anyone else who would like to join the party for Sambit Pani? Please raise the bid.
One better than this, guys. Come on, you should raise the bid for it.
So I'm closing
अच्छा
the
player,
bid
अच्छा
for
player
Sambit.
है।
Okay, 2 CR
हाँ,
from Manish,
Manish sir।
2.25 from Ronak.
Ronak bhai।
2.25 CR is the current bid for Sambit Pani made by Ronak. Okay, 2.5 CR from Manish. 2.5 CR is the current bid. Okay, 2.75 from Ronak. 2.7 okay. 2.75 the current bid made by Nautiyal for Sambit Pani. So I'm closing the bid for Sambit at 2.75 CR made by Nautiyal. 2.75 CR 1, 2.75 CR 2, 2.75 3, 75 CR 3.
वाह 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 वाह।
पहला प्लेयर बगैर
I request all the bidders to share the remaining amount.
25 उनके लोग नहीं भेज रहे हैं।
Slide number. So the next player in the mega auction is Abhishek Singh. He is the all-rounder right-hand batsman, right arm, medium pacer.
प्लेयर
So I received the initial bid from Ronak at 20.
तो कौन है सर?
Slide number.
48 48
So the next player in the mega auction is slide number 48, Sadanand Das.
इधर भी आ गया मैं।
Please make a bid for Mr. Das. He is a right-hand batsman, right arm,
Nautiyal से पहले
pacer.
ही।
He has participated in the from Nautiyal and 1.25 from Sanjay. Okay, 1.5 CR from Prashant, 1.75 from Thabliyal, 2 CR from Nautiyal, 2.25 from Thabliyal, 2.5, 2.75, 3, 3.25, 3.5, 3.75, 3.75 the current bid for Sadanand Das made by Thabliyal. 3.75 CR is the current bid. Okay, 4 CR from Ronak, 4.25 from Thabliyal, 4.5 from Ronak. 4.5 CR is the current bid for Sadanand. Closing the bid at 6.5 CR, 6.5 CR 1, 6.5 CR 2. Okay, 7 CR from Thabliyal.
कपिलिया सर की एंट्री होते हुए
7 CR is the current bid for Sadanand Das made by Thabliyal.
यू वाले था
7 CR is the current bid for Sadanand Das made by Thabliyal. Please raise the bid for 7 CR.
So
1 CR, 1.25 CR from Prashant.
मार हो गया, मार हो चुका है गाइस, ऑक्शन में मार हो चुका है।
2 CR is the current bid.
वहाँ अलग मार हो रहा है। बिडिंग वॉर्स
2.25. So the current bid for PK is 2.25 CR made by Thabliyal.
कपिलिया सर
2.25 CR. 2.25 CR is the current bid for PK.
गाइस यहाँ पे कुछ चल रहा है इनके बीच।
Please raise the bid for PK. Current bid 2.25 CR. Please raise the bid for PK at okay 2.5 CR from Prashant. 2.5 CR is the current bid for PK made by Prashant. 2.5 CR 2. Okay, 3.5 CR from Musair.
लास्ट में मुझे सर
3.5 CR is the current bid for PK made by Musair. Please raise the bid for PK. Okay, 3.25 from Thabliyal. 3.75 from Thabliyal. The current bid for PK made. Please raise the okay. 4 CR from Musair. 4 CR is the current bid for PK made by Musair. I have the video proof.
Yes.
Okay, I received the incremental bid from Thabliyal. 4.25 CR for PK.
वैसे भी हमारे फेवरेट हैं
Please raise the bid for
स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी हमारे फेवरेट हैं
आज है
हमेशा फेवरेट रहे हैं
So I'm closing the bid for PK 4.25 CR, 4.25 CR 1, 4.25 CR 2, okay 4.5
फिर
CR from
बीच
Hussain.
बीच में लास्ट मिनट मारते हुए
The current bid for PK is 4.5 CR bid by Hussain.
चौथी बार bid close हो रहा है
4.75 CR 2, 4.75 CR 3.
यस राजन भाई यहाँ है राजन भाई यहाँ है परियान की बोली लग रही है
3.75. Do I bid right? No. Okay. 3.75 CR is the current bid for Rajan paid by Prashant. Rajan is very hopeful and is very confident from the eyes of Prashant. 3.75 CR is the current bid for Rajan paid by Prashant. Please, okay, 4 CR from Nautiyal, 4.25 from Prashant. 4.25 CR is the current bid for Rajan paid by Prashant. Prashant, meanwhile Prashant, Maniman पूरा गल्ला खाली कर दूंगा. 4.25 CR is the current bid for Rajan. Please raise the bid for Rajan paid by Prashant 4.25 CR. Should we increase? So I'm closing the bid for Rajan at 4.25 CR paid by Prashant. 4.25 CR 1, 4.25 CR 2, 4.25 CR 2.
सोल्ड प्रसाद सर
अभी नहीं देते हो तो फिर गाली देता बात
केमिस्ट्री वालों के लिए बेट नहीं लगा रहे
Expecting more than 1.5 CR. Please raise the bid. Sanjay.
खड़ा हो ये
10 करोड़ यही इंट्रो ले लेंगे अभी भाई इंटरव्यू
2 CR.
भाई ध्यान दो
अब आप बढ़ा रहे हो
By Nautiyal. Please raise
सूरज
the
भाई
bid for
कैसा
Suraj.
लग रहा है आपको बढ़िया पहली बार ऑक्शन में आप
Expecting a lot.
कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट
2.25
कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट में आप?
केमिस्ट्री. 2.5 CR
तो बिहार से पूछ रहे कौन से लैब में हो
और सूरज
रंजना बिस्ट
संजय.
मैसेज ट्रांसफर करके आता हूँ
2.75 CR the current bid for Suraj paid by Sanjay. 2.75 CR. Please raise the bid. Why people from chemistry department are not bidding? Please raise the bid for Suraj current bid
रंजना मैम के
2.75
लैब
CR.
में
So I'm closing the bid for Suraj at 2.75 CR. Please raise the bid for Suraj. I am expecting players from Meerut to be in the correctful position.
ये सीधा बैठो
2.75 CR is the current bid. Okay, 3 CR from Ronak. 3 CR.
अरे फाइनली रोहन के पास कुछ
Someone please do the honor of taking the seat.
भाई भाई चिल
कलवा
भाई आप इस ऑप्शन में
1.25 from Sanjay, 1.5, 1.75, 2 CR. 2 CR is the current
हाथ
bid
तो नीचे ही नहीं करना इस बार
for Shikhar made by Please don't talk. Please don't talk. If you want to increase the bid, raise your hand. 2 CR is the current. Okay, 2.35.
हाथ नहीं नीचे हो रहा है देख लो इधर आप
2.5 CR is the current bid for Shikhar. Okay, 3 CR from
हाथ नीचे नहीं कर रहे
3 CR is the current bid for Shikhar Jugran made by Kabir. Okay, 3.25 from Joseph, 3.5 from 3.75, 4 CR, 4.25, 4.5, 4.75, 5 CR, 5 CR. 5 CR is the current bid for Shikhar made by Kabir. 5 CR is the current bid for Shikhar made by Kabir. 5 CR is the current bid for Shikhar made by Kabir. Please raise the bid Please raise the bid for Shikhar. The current bidding price is 5 CR made by WR. I'm closing the bid. I'm closing the bid for Shikhar at 5 CR. Okay, 5 are from the same department.
ये क्या मतलब है? ये सब
कोई नहीं बताओ।
भाई 7 करोड़ पहुंच चुके
7.5 from Manish.
7.5
Okay, 8 CR from WR. 8 CR is the current bid for Shikhar Shukran.
आप है कितना पैसा
DSG student of physics department. Okay, 8.5 from Manish. 9 CR from WR. 9.5, 10 CR from WR.
अरे भाई अब 10 करोड़ पहुंच चुके हैं, क्या कहना है
10.5
आपका?
from Manish.
बहुत हो गया, ज़्यादा ही हो गया अभी। 12 करोड़
12 CR is the current bid for Shikhar made by WR.
मनीष सर ये बड़ा
Please raise the bid for Shikhar Shukran.
भाई
The current bid is of 12 CR.
12 करोड़ पहुंच गया भाई।
13 CR from WR. 13.5 from Ronak. 13.5 from Ronak. 14 CR from WR. 14.5 from Ronak. 14.5 from Ronak. Made by Ronak. So I'm closing the bid at 16 CR.
कौन कौन
16
लेगा?
CR 1. Actually, this is needed to increase the bid so that he can go beyond 20. Please raise the bid for Shikhar. Make him the most valuable player of Azad Premier League auction. To 16, okay, 17 CR from WR. 18 CR from WR. 18
इसने इससे पहले भी ऐसे कर दिया था जैसे आपने मेरे को काम खत्म हो गया
नहीं
किया तूने ऐसे किया
अरे
ऐसे किया
तेरे को एक के बना कितना पड़ेगा?
That is the getting money.
स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी
स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी
भाई आपस में बात मत करो।
Closing the bid at 18 CR. 18 CR 1. 18 CR 2. 18 CR 3. Sold.
भाई 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 भाई
अब तुम उधर जाओ।
अब तो इंटरव्यू तो कैसा लग रहा है भाई? बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है भाई।
Okay, 2.5 CR from WR.
लास्ट मिनट पे
2.5 CR is the current bid for Shubham Ghosh made by WR. Please raise the bid for Shubham Ghosh. Current bid 2.5 CR. 2.75 CR.
3
3.
जीत भाई ने इस प्लेयर को खरीद लिया है। एक गलत जगह है बेटा, यहाँ बैठो। चल तो यहाँ बैठो। चाय गोला की चाय।
खुद दिन गई यहाँ पे।
सर 2.75 वीडियो बनाओ।
Ritik Singh. Slide number 30.
विकास भारती
विकास भारद्वाज
जी कौन है वहाँ से भाई? विकास भारद्वाज पुराना होगा हमारा।
So the next player in the mega
वो तो
auction
रात में चल खबर तो
is a right-hand batsman, right-arm fast bowler.
अभी जाएगी
He has played
बेटी।
interactive
आपका
by-
प्लेयर आ गया, आपका प्लेयर आ गया। कौन लगा रहा है?
So I'm okay. 50 lakhs from Sanjay. 50 lakhs from Sanjay for Ritik Singh.
नहीं लगा? ये भी हाँ।
75 lakhs from Thablial.
आपका अंदर करो
1 CR from Nodial. Nodial at 25 lakhs.
रौनक भाई
Okay,
टू
50
रेस्क्यू।
lakhs from Prashant.
प्रशांत सर
Please
चाय
raise the
पी
bid for okay. 25 lakhs from Nodial.
चाय पीते हैं।
25
सबसे
lakhs.
बेस्ट है
Okay, 1
हमारे
CR from Prashant. Please raise the bid for Sonu Kumar. Current
वही
bid
छिपा
1
दिया।
CR from Prashant.
जूम नहीं
Please
होता। जूम
raise the bid
एडिटिंग
for
में जूम कर
Sonu
दे।
Kumar. Current bid 1 CR from Prashant. Bid for Abhishek Raj.
प्रशांत सर प्रशांत सर
As expected, I received the initial bid from Prashant. Just like Rajan, I am hopeful that he will go in the team of Prashant. Up to 5 crores. Please raise the bid for Abhishek Raj, Gensec, PG.
जॉन्टी रॉड्स फील्डिंग बहुत अच्छा है भाई।
एक कैट तो करता हुआ के लिए।
एक बार ट्रॉफी भी जीत चुका है।
टॉफी?
Initial bid 50 lakhs.
एक पॉइंट इन्होंने कर
So I'm closing the bid for Abhishek Raj at 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs one, 50 lakhs two.
रौनक रौनक
Okay, this is the incremental bid from Ronak at 7.
ऑप्शन तो चलता रहेगा गाइस सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो बाय बाय गुड नाइट टेक केयर लाइक कमेंट शेयर सब्सक्राइब